Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to turn off or disable your system camera in Windows 11. Open Privacy and Security Settings. Click Camera. Turn off camera access. Click Disable. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Disable camera. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.